Hello lovely people. Today we will be doing a project that I wanted to do since last year. I purchased a couple of flowers, or rather 12 flowers, at the Christmas sales last year, and they were like really cheap for $1 each. And obviously due to the unusual Christmas color and pattern, nobody really liked them, so I thought I'll give them a new lease of life and repurpose them and turn them into a valuable decoration for my Christmas tree. And since they have like silver lining around the petals of the leaves and silver, buds and so on, I just decided to give them a coat of silver spray paint to revive them and get them ready for my next project. But because they've been probably sitting in a warehouse somewhere, so some of the petals might have lost the firmness, and I've decided to give them a spray adhesive coating first, so the paint can stick much better and can give them a better shape for spraying, and it will absorb the paint much better. So each of the stem has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 petals. So we're just going to cut the tag and first spray it with the spray adhesive, one by one. That's the starting point. So it's easier to work if we're going to spray one by one of the petals, and try to overlap them a little bit, since when we spray one leaf it might benefit the next one as well. I usually like that. So I will be starting with the spray paint first, so get really close. So we turn the next leaf on top of it. It's already sticking on my gloves as well. It's quite firm and it doesn't require a lot of spraying. Look more regal. Again, a tip is to go and spray them over once they're dry. One more time with the spray adhesive, and you can shake some glitter, silver glitter on it, and it will give it a 2D or a little bit more of a texture. But after this process is done, we need to just wait and let them dry. So we're just going to put them in the safe place to let them dry, and we can repeat the procedure with the rest of them. And I'll repeat, if you want more 3D effect, a little bit more spray and a little bit more glitter. So this is how the finished sprayed flower looks like. Once they dry, we'll have a look if they need, a little bit more attention, spraying, folding or unfolding the leaves. So we leave this one aside. So when you finish, a little bit of tip when you want to store them. As they appear quite large and they might take a lot of storage space, it's really good idea to fold them for storage. So how are we going to do that? So how they sit like this, they've opened. The good idea is to actually fold the petals in two small directions. For example, smaller leaves and put them in order like that. On one side, and the other's the same thing. Repeat the process like that. So the next one, and the next one, and we just squeeze them gently, and this is how they're gonna look. So you can safely store them. I'm just gonna cut the price as well, so they don't take too much space, and you can line them up like that, fold it, and in one direction, and they fit neatly into one little small, either container, or you can put it in a plastic bag. So this is for storage, but you must wait for the petals to dry out. Okay? Good luck with your project.